Rocky lived in a village with his grandmother, but everyone was tired of his foolishness. Even today, he was snoring loudly. His grandmother shook him awake and said,
Rocky, get up, do some work.
Half asleep, Rocky made a silly face at his grandmother. Seeing this, his grandmother got angry and picked up a stick.
I swear I'll fix you with my stick today.
Rocky jumped off the bed in panic and ran out of the house. His grandmother chased after him with the stick. Rocky ran out of the village and saw a tree in front of him. He lay down under it and started resting, when a wedding procession with a band passed by. Seeing it, he got a unique idea.
Why don't I start a business of arranging marriages?
He immediately put up a sign near the tree. Marriage office, match fixed in 2 days. A little later, a 40-year-old man named Sunny arrived and said,
Find a bride for me. I don't have any specific choice.
Rocky happily replied.
This is the perfect age for marriage.
He took a fee of 1,000 rupees and promised,
Tomorrow I'll introduce you to a girl.
Taking the money, he went to his grandmother.
Grandma, this is my first earning.
She was surprised but also happy that Rocky had started a business. The next morning, Sunny came to meet the girl. Rocky panicked and ran to his grandmother.
Grandma, I told Sunny that I have many girls for him to choose from for marriage, but I don't have a single one. What should I do now?
His grandmother whispered a trick in his ear.
Right now, he only wants to meet the girl. Schedule the wedding a few days later so you'll have time to find a bride for him.
Wow, Grandma, what an amazing idea.
After making a plan with his grandmother, Rocky returned to Sunny. Sunny said excitedly,
Bro, I've been thinking about the girl all night. I can't wait any longer.
Rocky covered his grandmother with a veil, made her sit in front of Sunny, and made it look like she was the girl he had chosen for Sunny's marriage. She politely offered him tea. Sunny said,
Oh, why did you trouble your delicate hands? I could have taken the tea myself.
He then asked her name. The grandmother blushed and said,
My name is Beautifully.
Wow, if your name is so beautiful, you must be gorgeous too. Please show me your face.
The grandmother replied,
In our family, we don't reveal faces before marriage.
Saying this, she started laughing under her veil.
Ha ha ha.
After a while, Grandma goes to her room. Sunny, feeling impatient, says,
Rocky, I can't wait any longer. I want to marry this girl as soon as possible.
He quickly takes out 20,000 rupees from his pocket and says,
Here, take this. Just make the wedding happen fast.
Rocky, seeing such a large amount of money for the first time, almost faints. Showing the money to Grandma, he excitedly says,
Grandma! You always thought I was useless, but look! It's only the second day of my business, and I've already earned so much.
The next day, Sunny arrives with his wedding procession. Rocky secretly mixes a sleeping drug in Grandma's juice and gives it to her. Soon she falls unconscious. In this state, Rocky gets Grandma married to Sunny. When Grandma faints and falls to the ground, Sunny says,
Looks like the bride is heartbroken about leaving her home. She seems very delicate. Don't worry, I'll take good care of her.
and with that, Sunny takes the unconscious Grandma to his house. When Grandma wakes up, she is shocked to find herself sitting on a flower-decorated bed, with Sunny standing in front of her. Panicking, she asks,
Where am I?
Don't worry, you fainted before the wedding ceremony was over. But now we are officially married, so now I can finally see your face.
Saying this, Sunny lifts Grandma's veil. The moment he sees her face, he faints instantly. Seizing the opportunity, Grandma quickly grabs a nearby stick and runs straight home. When she reaches home, she sees Rocky dancing in the yard. As soon as she rushes toward him with the stick in anger, she yells,
You! I will not spare you.
Rocky, seeing Grandma charging at him, immediately starts running, with Grandma chasing him furiously. Press the subscribe button to watch more videos.